Hey guys, so this video is for those people who are trying to, find out how to send a fax in Outlook the easiest way. And Outlook itself, I want to be completely honest up front with you, it no longer supports direct faxing like the older Windows fax services. The modern method is to use an online fax service that integrates with the email. For example, this one right here, you can use app.fax.plus. Okay, you can come here, get a fax number, you can connect it to your email as well, right? You can upgrade right here. And you sign up with these online fax services, you choose one which basically has Outlook or email support, and you'll actually get a dedicated fax number as well. Okay, you can see how many fax pages they give you per fax. You can do a random number, you can do a custom number as well if you want, right? And you'll get a dedicated fax number for you for sending and receiving. And you can use this, integrate with Outlook. Of course, there's more. You can go ahead and shop around, get the best plan for you, something that fits your needs. But otherwise, it's not available on Outlook directly anymore as a integrated service. You need to use these third parties. So if you found this helpful, we appreciate the honesty. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.